Mobile app patents. What is the cost? Let's dive right into the key factors affecting patent costs. The cost of patenting a mobile app can vary widely. It depends on several critical factors. Understanding these key factors is the first step in estimating your total investment. The complexity of your mobile app's invention significantly impacts the cost. Simple concepts are less expensive than complex, multifaceted applications. Choosing between a provisional patent application or a non-provisional patent application dictates the initial legal work and associated fees. Attorney fees are a major part of the cost. More experienced patent attorneys, especially those specializing in software, will charge higher rates. The United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO, charges official filing fees, which vary based on the applicant's entity size, large, small, or micro. Let's look at a general estimated cost breakdown for patenting a mobile app. A provisional patent application is a less formal, lower-cost option, typically ranging from $2,000 to $5,000. This secures an early filing date. A non-provisional patent application is substantially more expensive, often costing between $10,000 and $25,000 or more, depending on complexity and attorney fees. During the patent prosecution phase, which is the back and forth with the USPTO, expect additional costs for responding to office actions and amendments. Once granted, patents require post-grant maintenance fees to remain in force, paid periodically over the life of the patent. Consider alternative intellectual property protection like copyrights for app code and trade secrets for unique business methods, which are generally less costly. Protecting your mobile app innovation is crucial. Thorough research and strategic planning are essential to navigating the patent process effectively.